course, lots 1 and 2, tract 1 and 2 here on Black Ridge Acres. I want to drive on up. Well, that road off to the left there. And that road off to the left there is to tract 1. We're going up to tract 2. Up here at the top. Well, this is literally the top. It's way up. Beautiful building site in the woods up here on tract 2. You see the colors in the trees, very nice. This is Black Ridge Acres, right off of Black Ridge Road, Floyd County, Virginia, about 7 miles out of the town of Floyd. And here's a potential building site up here. Sorry for the jiggling around, for sure.